Calories in chicken breast, thigh, wing and more. Calories in chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most popular cuts of chicken. It's high in protein and low in fat, making it an excellent choice for people trying to lose weight. Chicken breast is a low-fat source of protein that contains 0 carbs. One chicken breast has 284 calories, or 165 calories per 3.5 ounces 100 grams. About 80% of the calories come from protein while 20% come from fat. Calories in chicken thigh. Chicken thigh is slightly more tender and flavorful than chicken breast due to its higher fat content. One chicken thigh contains 109 calories, or 209 calories per 3.5 ounces 100 grams. It's 53% protein and 47% fat. Calories in chicken wing. When you think about healthy cuts of chicken, chicken wings probably don't come to mind. One chicken wing has 43 calories, or 203 calories per 3.5 ounces 100 grams. It's 64% protein and 36% fat. Calories in chicken drumstick. Chicken legs are made up of 2 parts, the thigh and the drumstick. The drumstick is the lower portion of the leg. One chicken drumstick has 76 calories, or 172 calories per 3.5 ounces 100 grams. It's 70% protein and 30% fat. Calories in other cuts of chicken. Though breast, thighs, wings and drumsticks are the most popular cuts of chicken, there are several others to choose from. Here are the calories in some other cuts of chicken. Chicken tenders, 263 calories. 100 grams, back, 137 calories 100 grams, dark meat, 125 calories 100 grams, light meat, 114 calories 100 grams. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.